Hey guys, back with another video clip for you guys. This tree here is the Golden Delicious, and the flowers have finally bloomed out, some of them, but I just wanted y'all to see how beautiful that Golden Delicious apple flowers look. Golden Delicious apples. Yes, sir, y'all. Yes, sir. And they all over. Even at the top. And it's starting to bud on the sides. Finally, the tips came first, and now it's starting to bud on the side. The other Golden Delicious, it hasn't done really anything. I get some little buds there, but they ain't really did anything on this one. And this is a Golden Delicious like this one here. But this one has took off. It has literally took off, y'all. Just look how pretty the flowers are. The flowers are just beautiful, y'all. I had to, make a little small clip for y'all so y'all can see. And I'm going to do another clip when all of them open up so we can see how beautiful it looks with all 5 opened up. This one here has 3 opened up on it. They just beautiful, y'all. They are just beautiful. And again, this is the Golden Delicious apple. And they're just beautiful, y'all. Y'all thumbs up the video. If you haven't already, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed to the channel. Share this video if you would like. Look, I'm doing this for y'all. This is just beautiful. But yes, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.